Today, we are making two of my most preferred lamb recipes: lamb leg in the wood-fired oven and grilled lamb loin chops with veggie skewers. But before we jump into the cooking process, I need you to like this video and smash that subscribe button. Firstly, we will start with the lamb leg, which takes time to cook. The oven is on fire and already preheated to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. I combine virgin olive oil, cumin, paprika, and salt. Then, we carefully mix all the ingredients. We place this leg in the sheet pan right in the middle. To accompany the lamb leg, we'll make our own appetizer. We cut fresh red onions into quarters, carrots into 3 large pieces, and whole potatoes. We then rub the meat and the appetizer with the marinade, ensuring it covers all surfaces. Additionally, we add some freshly picked rosemary and garlic. Next, we cover it with aluminum foil and place it in the oven. The sheet pan goes right in the middle of the magma. The sound of the roasting is always melodious to my ears, like an orchestra chant. We close the oven and let it battle the fire for 5 hours. Keep watching, and at the end of the video, we will discover and taste the result. Meanwhile, 5 hours may seem long, and I am starving, so let's grill some loin chops in the offset smoker. We start by putting some pieces of charcoal in the chimney starter. We light it up with a briquette and wait for 5 minutes until it catches fire. We pour olive oil over the chops. Cumin, paprika, and black pepper. We thoroughly mix the ingredients, ensuring they coat all sides of the chops. The charcoal is already lit, and we place it in the smoker along with the grill. As we line up our chops, a picturesque and pleasant smell fills the air. Now, let's prepare some veggie skewers. We begin by cutting bell peppers into small pieces. And placing them in a bowl. Then, we add cherry tomatoes and fresh mushrooms. We season them with olive oil, salt, garlic powder, and rosemary. After mixing all the ingredients, we thread the vegetables onto the skewers until reaching the end. Repeat this process until no vegetables remain. We flip the chops to the other side and wait for 3 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 150 degrees. Once done, we take them off the grill and place our skewers. Grilling them for about 2 minutes per side. Now, it's time to taste the chops and veggies. They are incredibly tasty, juicy, and super tender, making them one of my favorite lamb cuts. Now it's evening, and it's time to remove our lamb leg from the oven. We uncover the aluminum foil and remove the rosemary. It is indeed one of the best roasted meats I have ever tasted, with a splendid flavor that dances on my palate. The potatoes are soft and gratinated. Let's prepare our serving plate. We squeeze the roasted garlic on top of the plate for the most savory experience. Additionally, we add some thinly chopped fresh green onions. It's time to indulge in this heavenly, mouth-watering meal. Everything tastes truly magnificent, from the veggies to the lamb. The spices in this dish create a delightful explosion of flavors. The way they come together is a testament to the skillful cook behind the recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.